Welcome to China Aviation News. This is Campress with Danny. At first, let's look at the news of the week. From October the 17th to the 21st, the 2013 China International General Aviation Convention was held in Hainan. As the national team of China's general aviation industry, AVIC General Aircraft Corporation Limited altogether exhibited 7 general-purpose aircrafts, such as large firefighting, water rescue amphibious aircrafts, large pilot 150 aircraft model, the Cirrus SR-20 aircraft. All these aircrafts wonderfully debuted at the General Aviation Convention with flight enthusiasts invited to experience flying, which shows the new achievements of AVIC General Aircraft in aspects like development and production of general aircrafts, as well as development of the whole industry chain. On October the 11th, AVIC International Beijing Company signed with 12 companies like IAT Reinsurance Corporation Limited an agreement to purchase 19.03% of KHD's shares they held. The acquisition amount up to 61 million euros. Meanwhile, AVIC International Beijing Company unified 3 Singapore investment companies as persons acting in concert issue tender offered to other shareholders of KHD. This is the first time for a Chinese company to purchase Frankfurt-listed company. On October the 21st, the 2013 General Aviation Convention Project Signing and Results Presentation Conference were held in Hainan, at which 106 aircrafts were transacted, signing 22.9 billion yuan. It is reported that Hainan Airbase signed 23 projects with total investment of 13.25 billion yuan. Hainan Luyang Lake Development Zone signed 10 projects with a total amount of 9.081 billion yuan. At present, China International General Aviation Convention has been successfully held for 3 sessions, among which this signing project has higher quality and covers a wider field with a higher degree of industry concentration, indicating that China's general aviation industry has entered the track of rapid development. Recently, the domestic electric first-class aero-seats was offline in AVIC Aerospace Jiatai Company. The first 6 14-seat seats delivered to China's Southern Airlines to equip Boeing 777 aircraft. Successful development of first-class seats and their installment on wide-body aircrafts market aerospace's development of civil aviation seats made significant technological breakthroughs and ranked among the international advanced level. It is reported that aerospace is now the only one-seating products manufacturer that obtains certifications of Civil Aviation Administration of China and the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, owing design and manufacture as well as airworthiness certification capabilities of full range and multi-style of civil aviation seats like economy class, business class, VIP and electric first-class seats. On October the 15th, COMAC's second ARJ21-700 aircraft took off from Yanliang Flight Test Center Airport at 9:32 p.m. and then successfully landed at Incheon Hedong International Airport at 10:35 p.m. After 1 hour and 3 minutes flight, marking the beginning of the flight test of avionics system in the ARJ21-700 aircraft. On September the 29th, Group Company approved the organization programs and prospectuses of AVIC Asset Management Corporation Limited. On October the 11th, the off-shelf ceremony for the first forward fuselage of the C-Series project was held in SAC International. Participants watched the advertising video of the development process of C-Series aircrafts in Shenyang. On October the 11th, CAAC signed with U.S. Rockwell Collins and CETC Avionics the C919 Communications and Navigation System contract. Bombardier Inc. on Friday named Chinese leasing firm CDB Leasing Corporation Limited as the buyer of up to conditionally 30 of its all-new C-Series jetliner. The Flight Test Center of Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China Limited has done two field surveys in Zhoushan to decide the location of the flight test base of the C919 large passenger aircraft. By far, Zhoushan Putoshan Airport has been considered a preferable site for the C919 flight test. In September, Air China recorded 11.5% and 10.6% year-on-year growth in revenue passenger kilometers and available seat kilometers, respectively. On October the 14th, the Civil Aviation Administration of China released regulations on dealing with flight delays, demanding Chinese airlines to inform passengers of flight delays or cancellations immediately and continuously, as flight delays have spurred discontents among air passengers in recent years. According to the regulations, Chinese airline operators are required to provide passengers timely, continuous and accurate information on flight delays or cancellations via official website, mobile phone, email, broadcasts, new media, etc. Hainan Airlines Corporation Limited, China's fourth largest carrier, announced Friday night that it plans to buy a 13.95% stake in Tianjin Airlines for 1.093 billion yuan from its parent HNA Group, in a deal that will strengthen the Haikou-based airline's financial position as it aggressively. Okay, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. This is Campress with Danny. We'll see you next time.